Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope that everyone's in good health. Previously you have seen an unboxing review about our newly launched female watch, Sveston Cherry. We are glad to introduce a new watch edition in male category under the name of Sveston Classy Alpine. The most important thing about our every product is that we dispatch your order to your doorstep in a very attractive and premium packaging as shown on your screens. Curious about what's included in the packaging? Let us guide you. First, you will find a customer handbook that shows a welcome note which says, "Welcome to the family of Sveston." Then there is a certificate of authenticity which has a stamp that shows the product you bought from us is original and authentic. Additionally, you will find using instructions for your easiness. You will also get a certificate of warranty which shows warranty expiration date through which you can claim your warranty against your article within a provided time. Our 1-year warranty claim includes water resistance, shipment damage, and manufacturing fault. Plus, you will get 1-year battery warranty. Isn't it valuable? Sure it is. So without wasting any time, let's get to the features of that watch. Talking about the looks of Sveston Classy Alpine, it's an amazing, classy and beautiful watch. What makes it beautiful is its fascinating design, leather strap and graceful look. It has round dial and at the back Sveston logo is engraved. Classy Alpine has a unique specialty, means it has dual dials. Yes, you heard it right, dual dial. You can simply set it according to your time zone of any country in the world. For example, if you lives in a different country and your family or loved ones in another one, then it's very feasible for you to have a track of that time. It has a stainless steel body and has classical leather strap. Case size is 41 mm and lug-to-lug distance is 50 mm. Our all watches are 3 ATM water resistant, which means it is safe from any kind of splash, rain and hand washing. Weight of this watch is very light, only 80 grams. And it has leather strap with classical pin clasp which make it easy to wear. Sveston Classy Alpine is available in 13 colors on our site. Grey gold, rose gold black, black golden, silver black, navy and many more. It has hardened crystal glass and once you receive your watch has protective plastic cover on dial because we make sure that the product you ordered should reach you in a perfect condition. Talking about our product's stress testing, we say it's long lasting and if by mistake it fell down from a reasonable height, it will not break easily. We hope that you will try this watch and will become a part of our Sveston family. Do share with us your experience after using it, we will wait for it. We have also recently launched new option for gift wrapping with customized wishing messages. Now you can also send our watches as a gift for any occasion to your loved ones. Why do we offer up to 70% discount? It's very simple. There is no third-party seller involved in between our customers and us. We are the only manufacturer and retailers. That's the reason you can get our products discounted up to 70%. If you want to check our previous unboxing videos, do click on the thumbnails on the screen. Did you like this watch review? Please do let us know in the comment section. Have a nice day. See you next time.